Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hardcover vegan journals that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Ottergami Hardcover Vegan Journal. Get ready to unlock your creativity with the Ottergami Hardcover Vegan Journal. This essential rose gold journal is suitable for those who want to embrace their artistic side while staying eco-friendly. Featuring high-quality paper, this hardcover vegan journal provides a smooth surface for your pens, markers, or pencils to glide across. Whether you're sketching, doodling, or jotting down your thoughts, this journal offers the perfect canvas for your ideas. Not only is this journal a practical choice, but it is also environmentally friendly. The vegan cover is made from sustainable materials, making it a guilt-free addition to your creative routine. This journal comes with 6 journal stencils and 140 stickers. These handy tools allow you to add decorative elements and personalized touches to your pages effortlessly. This option also includes an inner pocket to store important notes or loose papers, keeping everything neat and organized. The elastic closure ensures your journal stays securely closed, protecting your precious work. The convenient pen holder and bookmark make it easy to keep your favorite writing utensil close at hand and easily locate the page you last worked on. This hardcover vegan journal gets the top spot on this list for its stylish design and high-quality paper. Moving on at number 4, we have the BEECHMORE Books Hardcover Vegan Journal. Introducing the BEECHMORE Books Hardcover Vegan Journal. Unleash your creativity and elevate your journaling experience with this premium vegan journal. This regular-sized hardcover journal is specifically for writers, journalers, business meetings, and students. It's the perfect companion for all your note-taking needs. This journal features a luxurious vegan leather cover in a stylish brown color. Not only is it ethically made, but it also adds a touch of sophistication to your writing routine. The premium hardcover provides durability, ensuring that your precious thoughts and ideas are safe. Whether you're using it for personal journaling, creative writing, or taking notes in important meetings, this hardcover vegan journal will meet your needs. Let your pen glide effortlessly across the pages as you jot down your thoughts, dreams, and aspirations. The ruled format keeps your writing organized and enhances readability, making it easier to review and reflect on your entries. This option also comes in an elegant gift box, making it a perfect present for yourself or your loved ones. Treat yourself or surprise a fellow writer with this beautiful journal that combines style, function, and environmental consciousness. At number 3, we have the Tree of Life Hardcover Vegan Journal. Are you looking for the perfect journal to unleash your creativity? Look no further than the Tree of Life Hardcover Vegan Journal, a stunning vegan leather notebook that will inspire and captivate your imagination. Crafted with care and designed to be eco-friendly, this hardcover journal is a must-have for anyone seeking a sustainable and stylish writing companion. This journal is also a statement of your commitment to a vegan lifestyle. By choosing a vegan leather notebook, you're making a positive impact on the environment and supporting ethical practices. This option is a beautiful cover made from vegan leather, providing a luxurious feel while remaining cruelty-free. Its sturdy hardcover design ensures durability, allowing you to take it on all your adventures without worrying about wear and tear. Inside, you'll find high-quality, acid-free paper that is smooth to the touch, making it a joy to write on. With its generous size and ample blank pages, this journal offers plenty of space for all your thoughts, dreams, and creative endeavors. Whether you're sketching, jotting down ideas, or pouring your heart onto the pages, this journal is there to capture it all. At number 2, we have the Scribbles That Matter Hardcover Vegan Journal. Discover the ultimate tool to unlock your creativity with the Scribbles That Matter Hardcover Vegan Journal. With a sleek vegan hardcover, these dot grid notebooks are perfect for boohoo journaling enthusiasts. You can indulge in a smooth writing experience that won't bleed through. Immerse yourself in the world of dot journaling and watch your ideas come to life on the dotted pages. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a budding writer, these hardcover vegan journals will fuel your imagination and inspire your next masterpiece. Get ready to unleash your creativity and embark on an exciting journaling journey with this premium dot grid notebook journal. The buttery smooth, luxuriously thick paper and crisp dot grid provide the perfect canvas for your creativity to flourish. The pages will let your imagination run wild, whether you're writing, bullet journaling, or expressing yourself artistically. This bullet journal comes with a key page, index pages, numbered dotted pages, and 2 color bookmark ribbons. These features will save you a lot of time when setting up your journal. Your dot grid notebook is ready to use right out of the box, tailored to meet all your journaling needs. And finally at number 1, we have the Fringe Hardcover Vegan Journal. Crafted with vegan leather, this Fringe Hardcover Vegan Journal is stylish and cruelty-free. With its soft cover adorned with elegant foil stamping, it's a true work of art. The elastic pen loop ensures that your slim pen is always within reach, ensuring no brilliant idea goes unwritten. The 192 lined pages provide ample space for your thoughts, dreams, and doodles. This hardcover vegan journal is compact enough to carry with you wherever your inspiration takes you, making it the ideal companion for any adventure. The gilded edges add a touch of luxury, making this journal stand out among the rest. The soft cover features exquisite foil stamping, adding a touch of elegance to your writing experience. Elevate your writing experience with this high-quality journal that's the perfect blend of style and practicality. This journal exudes sophistication, making it a must-have for any discerning writer. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.